Welcome to Blue Eye Dragon Entertainment's computer training video. We're gonna start with understanding your desktop. What you see in front of you is a basic computer desktop for the Microsoft Windows environment. This is Windows Vista environment. This picture in the background is our wallpaper. You'll notice a bunch of smaller pictures in front of the picture. Your wallpaper is pretty much a background. The smaller pictures are called icons. They're links to various folders or programs that are installed on the computer, as well as to different files, and we'll talk more about that in a later lesson. I want you to now take a look over to the bottom right side of the screen. This is where all the system icons will pop up with basic information about programs that are currently running on your computer. You'll also notice the current time. If you hover over the time, hover means that you just basically leave the mouse pointer over top of the time. You will see that the current date is being shown. We're going to go over a few of the basics. One thing I want to talk about is the different clicks, and you have left click, right click, and double left click. Okay, I want you to remember that. That's left click, right click, and double left click. Now we're going to go to our start menu, which is located on this bar at the bottom. Well, let me tell you what this bar at the bottom is. This bar at the bottom is called your task bar, and anytime you open a program, it's going to pop up at the bottom with the name of the program that's running and a little icon in a rectangle shape, and that's so that you can change from program to program. But what we're going to talk about now is the start menu. If you click left click on the start menu, it'll pop up this little menu here. And what I want you to be aware of is that up here at the top, these icons are programs that are currently on your computer that are quick. These are quick access. If you wanted to get to a specific program, you would go to all programs, which you'll see pops up a list of all the programs that are installed on your computer. But we're not going to go into that right now. Let's go ahead and take a look over here to this panel on the right side of the start menu. On this panel, you'll see these links. Now these links are to various places within the computer. This is the name of this Windows environment. You'll see your name or the name of the person you're logged in under your Windows environment here. Documents are where all my documents will be stored. Pictures is where all my pictures are going to be stored. Music is for my music files, as well as games, which we're not going to get into. Recent items are for items that we have opened recently, and it's a quick access to get back to those things. Computer is something I want you to get familiar with, so I'm going to go ahead and go to computer by left clicking, and you'll notice this box that pops up. Now everybody's computer is different, but what I want you to understand is that it's divided up into various parts. I have here my location bar. This bar is actually in a lot of different programs. In this particular program, this is the Windows Explorer program, it allows you to go to different locations on your computer. Here's the first hard drive, my second hard drive, and my third hard drive. And these are all the DVDs drives that are available on my computer. You'll notice that all the rest of them are empty, and there's one location that has something on it. We're going to exit out of that now. Want to go back to the start menu with the left click again and show you your documents. If you go into your documents folder, you'll notice the same address bar that I was tell you your location. So remember that address bar because it's in a lot of different programs. Right now we don't really have any documents in our documents folder. You'll see here these favorite links that popped up on the panel to the left hand side. And here's also those same things you saw in the start menu, picture and music, and we can go quickly to those by just simply left clicking on that. Now I'm in my pictures folder with just one left click. With another left click, I am in my music folder. As you can see, there's nothing in there. We're going to work on all that later. One thing I want you to notice is on this left panel at the bottom is a folders button. If you click this folders button, it'll pull up your location, but it'll also show you other folders that are in that area. One thing I told you before is that in the start menu there is no link to the video. What you'll see here is there's your link to the video, and here's all the public folders that are stored on the computer. Alright, that's my time for today, and on the next video we're going to show you how to change your wallpaper.